Hello, I'm Cody Dykes, manager at QuickLane Tire and Auto Center in Bristol, and this is QuickLane Maintenance Minutes. One very important part of our cars that we often neglect are the tires. A couple of things that we can do to keep our tires safe and lasting as long as possible is maintaining the proper air pressure and tire rotation. This will ensure better wear, fuel efficiency, and save money over a long period of time. Most manufacturers recommend rotating the tires every 5,000 to 10,000 miles and checking the air pressure once a week. As a convenience, we recommend rotating the tires every other oil change, and that varies based on your manufacturer's recommended specifications. Not sure how to check your tire pressure? That's okay, just stop in and see us today. We'll show you how, or check it for you. As always, there's never a charge for our multi-point inspection. Need a tire rotation? Stop by and give us a call today. As always, we're here for you and ready to serve.